Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so for the most part, I know in my head what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Falcon Park and fly with some of those elderly people I met. Wind is 7 knots, coming from 120, which is gonna be east, I believe. 10 statute miles visibility, clear, temperature 14 degrees Celsius, so it's cold. Dew point is 4, so let's add a mission. Mission title is going to be Falcon Flyer. And house is on this side. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna, let's make it mission area a little bigger there. We actually had 2 flights with the Avata yesterday that I don't think I logged. Green is 40 to 50 degrees. The only TFR is out here for this firefighting operation, and it's been going on for a few days now. So I'm not going to be too concerned about that. Somewhere in this area. So our airspace is completely clear. Yeah, I don't see anyone really. I see Floyd's car. So they're probably all going to be at Granite, I bet. Granite Park. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're going to go down to Granite, it looks like. Well, I don't see them here at Granite Park either, so we might be flying on our own today. But here we are. Okay, let's stop recording. Okay, well, let's go back down to Falcon Park and see if we have any people. Good morning.
Oh my Lord.
It's me in the flesh.
Somebody else did it as bad as we are.
Good morning. How's it going?
Hey. I couldn't get the up out of it.
Home point updated.
The best tool for the job in that case, right?
It had a big screen on it, and you had to put the flag or something over his head so he could get a reflection on the screen.
Yeah. Where's that helicopter? Is that behind us? Oh, I see it. They just crashed one of their airplanes. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be fine. This popped off a little bit. It's a Survivor.
Get the 2 quarters on the nose come on.
a quarter for your dog.
Oh, thank you.
Is that a legit prop plane? Wow, it is flying low.
You show it without power and see how it runs versus stall. Them marathoners down St. George are really going to be sweating. Yeah.
I don't see you much these days.
Area.
Whoa!
Come on.
Oh no!
I had full throttle and it didn't do anything.
When you told me goodbye.
I balanced it.
Oh no!
Marathons like watching all these idiots leave
Cause
town.
I got good company and my troubles outside. And I'm sitting here with all of my friends. Drinking beer like a night won't end.
Really?
Wine in a Dixie cup. All night till the sun comes up.
Oh yeah. There we go.
I've made up my mind. I don't need you in my life. I'm doing just fine. You think you got it figured out? You got me on lockdown. I tell you, girl, I've moved on. And now you're trying to see you can't understand why you left me. Ooh, you're coming back around. I should have known you'd do me wrong. I got a lot to make up for
Really?
the time that I was gone. So I'm sitting here with all of my friends, drinking beer like a night won't end. Red wine in a Dixie cup. All night till the sun comes up. I think I've made up my mind. Yes, I did. I don't need you in my life. I'm doing just fine.
Well, now we know who's the good representative.
Pretty girls on the inside dancing in the kitchen with the bottle of wine. Sitting here with the beer in my hand,
do it
couple
right,
of boys in the
you
new
can maintain
kicks dance.
visibility
Come
of the
here,
ball
girl,
if you're going
look
around
my way, grab her by the hand, take her up the staircase. Don't know her name.
I kind of do the yaw as I'm turning, so my camera pans with it.
Sitting here with all of my friends, drinking beer like a
Upside down, dive, and throttle.
in a Dixie cup.
I have no clue what that is. That's like the inverted one, right? Oh, I'm getting a fantastic shot of this glider right now. Oh, let's keep it, let's keep it, let's keep it, let's keep it, let's keep it. Keep the shot, keep the shot. Center frame. Up. I am. Oh, I like this high elevation shot I'm getting right now. Or higher elevation than the plane, I should say.
What do you do with all your recordings?
YouTube.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, this has been your boy Sky is Blue, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a lot of fun flying with those guys. I go a couple times a week. I try my best to get air-to-air shots of the airplanes that they fly, but it can be intimidating when there's so many great pilots around and when there's so much stuff flying around, obviously, as well. But I hope you guys have a beautiful day and you enjoyed this video. Until next time, Keep it easy peasy.